Remove screws marked by red circles. Using plastic tool, pry up and remove bottom cover. Now unplug battery cable. Disconnect antenna cables. Remove screw that secures wireless module. And remove it. To replace it, make same steps in reverse order.